Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixtape. In the studio with me today is Yale Sarhadi. Her new film Karma is, well, I mean, I don't know when it's coming out, but the trailer has been released and I'm not joking, it is actually action-packed. I'm super excited for this segment. Yale is an incredible singer, so I have a really fun segment of Guess the Song in which she has to guess some really fun old school Bollywood songs. Before we get started, you guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixtape family, and let's welcome on Yale Sarhadi. Hi Yale.
Hello Momna, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I am perfectly well.
Good.
How are you enjoying Karachi's weather सबसे पहले तो?
Weather, I mean, it's pretty much like Lahore. The only good thing is that you guys have breeze.
Yes.
So it's been, in this part of the year, it's still a little better than Lahore.
You've come at a better time.
Yes.
You've
it was
actually come at a better time.
Acha. So Yale, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to play this game called Guess the Song.
Really?
Yes.
जाते के साथ गोता लगा लूँ मैं.
हाँ. अब करना ये है कि गाना सिर्फ गैस नहीं करना.
ठीक है,
गाना भी है.
वो मसला नहीं है.
ठीक है. अब मैंने किया ये है
हाँ.
कि पुराने गाने हैं और बहुत मेन स्ट्रीम गाने हैं.
अच्छा सही.
ठीक है. इनकी मैंने इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन की हुई है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. मैं इंग्लिश में गाने का लिरिक बोलूंगी, आपने उर्दू में गैस करना है और फिर आपने एक मुखड़ा जैसे कहते हैं ना गा दे.
डन डील.
डन. ठीक है. तो मैं इसे पढ़ूंगी कुछ मुझे
पढ़ दे.
ठीक है. ओके. सो हियर गोज. Why fear when in love? Why be afraid when in love? We fell in love, not like we stole anything.
जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, प्यार किया कोई चोरी नहीं की, प्यार किया. इतना ही आता है.
Brilliant. छुप छुप के आहें भरना क्या,
जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो. बहुत पिटारी में से निकाला है आपने.
हाँ मैंने सही अंदर पीछे गई थी. मैं कहा क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ. अच्छा नेक्स्ट वन. In my thoughts there is a beautiful face shadowing me. She is
मेरे
delicate.
ख्यालों पे छाई है एक सूरत मतवाली सी, नाजुक सी शर्मीली सी, मासूम सी भोली भाली सी, रहती है वो दूर कहीं, अता पता मालूम नहीं. कोको कोरीना.
Brilliant. Wow, yeah, you really know your stuff. अच्छा मैं ज्यादा आसान नहीं बना दिया.
नहीं बिल्कुल भी. बहुत मुश्किल है.
अदाए देखो. अच्छा जी, next one. The intoxicating beauty of these eyes attracts thousands of admirers. Indeed, there are thousands of stories associated with these eyes.
शराबी आंखें नहीं, गुलाबी आंखें, तेरी नशीली. अच्छा okay. Can you repeat it? हाँ.
The intoxicating beauty of these eyes attracts thousands of admirers. Indeed, there are
इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता अफसाने हजारों हैं, अफसाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के.
You're really good. Like, and your voice is really good. Have you trained?
Yes, I do. I train. I train.
I was going to say that it sounds like a very trained voice.
So I have a very good ustad.
Yeah. Okay, last one. Okay, this is actually a really fun one. So इसमें मैं भी साथ गाऊंगी.
Okay.
ठीक है? Oh, the scarf girl is drenched in watercolors. Oh, the scarf girl is drenched in watercolors. The lunch was served in a gold plate.
Oh, the scarf girl. Oh, लाल दुपट्टे वाली. अच्छा, ठहरो. Let me go. Scarf girl. Scarf.
Yeah. Oh, the scarf girl is drenched in watercolors. Oh, the scarf girl is drenched in watercolors. The lunch was served in a gold plate. ये थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
हाँ.
But गाना बहुत ही like
plate. अच्छा ठहरो. Gold plate. उर्दू में plate ही होती है ना. ऐसे ही सोच रही हूँ. Plate ही होगी. ट्रे होगी. गोल्ड क्या होता है? गोल्ड भी गोल्ड को क्या बोलते हैं?
ओ रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे.
This is a song.
Yeah.
I could not.
You know, दो लोगों ने guess कर लिया था.
I could not.
सोने की थाली में
चुनर to me is दुपट्टा.
हाँ, तो स्कार्फ ही हो गया ना, चुनरी हो गया ना.
Okay.
चुनरी.
Whale होगा या?
हाँ.
I couldn't get.
Okay, 3 out of 4. गा दो थोड़ा सा रंग बरसे फिर.
रंग बरसे, ओ रंग बरसे
भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. ओ रंग बरसे.
सोने की प्लेट कहाँ से?
सोने की थाली में
ट्रे.
थाली.
ट्रे.
Oh,
If you had said tray,
you would have gotten it.
मैं कहीं से कोई एक लफ्ज आ जाता, वरना मैं गेस नहीं कर सकती थी.
नहीं कर सकती.
This was something completely out of my league, man. Good. Mama, it was great.
Thank you.
It was interesting.
काफी मैंने मेहनत करके उर्दू की इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन की थी. पहले मैंने Google Translate में डाला.
I enjoyed.
I'm glad. I enjoyed it as well. I'm hoping that everybody else also enjoys it.
Yes.
अच्छा, आपकी upcoming movie Karma. The trailer just came out.
Yes.
So now tell me a little bit about your character and tell me, because it's a very fast-paced film.
It is.
And it's a very unique role that you're doing as well in this film.
I have been very fortunate, Momna, to be getting all such characters which are quite offbeat. You know, generally females in our industry don't have such roles written for them, let alone for them to act.
Yeah.
So Karma का टीजर अभी सिर्फ रिलीज हुआ है, अभी तक उन्होंने ट्रेलर रिलीज नहीं किया. ट्रेलर में तो बहुत कुछ है. इट्स अ क्रेजी फिल्म. लाइक आप जब देखना शुरू करेंगे, so you won't stop. There's thousands of things happening in a single minute, literally, because it's a story about, basically the story starts off with a kidnapping and it unfolds. उसके अंदर बहुत सारे उसमें जो हैं, जैसे अनियन को पील करते हैं तो लेयर्स निकलते हैं, इस तरह से निकलता जाता है. आई एम प्लेइंग क्राइम बॉस. ठीक है, वो आपको अगर टीजर से पता चल गया, आई एम पार्ट ऑफ अ गैंग. I can't reveal anything more than that, but I have a psychotic character which I enjoyed playing. Kashan was a breeze to work with. Kashan is the one who's directed it, Kashan Admani. And he was a breeze. And then I had a very good friend of mine, Osama Tahir.
Yes, he's been on the show already.
He's amazing. I love Osama's like a bro. He's my brother.
That's what everybody says. Even ask Momo,
which is not a good thing, वैसे. Osama, no, not everyone thinks we're a brother, but let's leave it at that. For me, he's a brother. और मैं उसको ये बोलती हूँ, मैंने कहा हमने जब भी काम किया फिल्मों में काम किया. इससे पहले जो उसकी पहली मूवी थी, I was in it. अभी जो उसकी second film है, I'm with him.
You're with him.
So there's Paras. They're very brilliantly talented actors also, and everyone's gotten the chance to do something completely different for what we do generally.
Normally, yeah. And tell me a little bit about behind the scenes. के shooting के अंदर, I'm sure कि इतनी fast-paced movie के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ तो.
Okay, so हम लोग के जो characters थे, they were like very uniquely set. So obviously हमारे wardrobe जो है वो normal wardrobe नहीं था, you know. And अब हमने दिखाया भी नहीं है कि कराची, लाहौर है, कहाँ है. It's a fictitious place, okay? So we've not specified that it's Pakistan or it could be anywhere in the world. So मुझे इन्होंने leather pants बनाए हुए थे.
Okay.
Now finding leather pants in Pakistan, इतना odd. लंडा तो नहीं था, लेकिन ज़ैनब मार्केट करके एक जगह है जो कि पॉसिबली लंडा हो सकता है. सो और मैं गई भी नहीं थी ट्राई आउट करने के लिए, बिकॉज दिस वाज अ लास्ट मिनट डिसीजन. आई वाज वेयरिंग जीन्स एंड दे सडनली डिसाइडेड, नो, यू आर वेयरिंग लेदर जैकेट, वी हैव टू हैव लेदर पैंट्स. सो वी वेंट, दिस माय स्टाइलिस्ट गॉट दोस पैंट्स फॉर मी एंड दे ब्लडी वेल लुक लाइक ओवरसाइज्ड डायपर्स. आई एम नॉट किडिंग. It was hilarious. I was walking around with something which is stretched till here and not at all. I was supposed to look hot. I only felt hot. Then we finally found miraculously के Debenhams पे जो है उस किस्म के pants मिलते हैं, faux leather के. So वो rectify हो गया था, but for a few days I was just roaming around in diapers and everyone poked fun at me. Everyone. They were all men on the set except for the stylist and me, and Naveen was in the film as well, but we never shot together.
So your grandfather, I believe, was one of the writers of Mughal-e-Azam.
Yes.
And how incredible, first of all. And because I mean, it's possibly one of the most timeless films ever made in the history of the subcontinent, for that matter.
True that.
Do you remember any stories, if he ever shared with your father or with you? Or?
Yes. Okay. So my grandfather was an Indian film director.
So he was also a writer. And Mughal-e-Azam is one of the most prominent films, as you said,
Yeah.
which came out of Southeast Asia. But he is basically behind two really big films called Hum Log and Footpath, जिसमें दिलीप कुमार साहब थे. It was his second film. एंड उस ज़माने की जो मेरे दादा मुझे बातें बताते थे, मेरी बहुत कम उनसे मुलाकात रही अनफॉर्चुनेटली, बिकॉज ही हैड टेकन असाइलम इन इंग्लैंड, सो ही वेरी सेल्डम विजिटेड
I'm
us.
sorry, I don't know much about this. Oh,
No, it's okay. It was absolutely fine. He was part of the leftist movement.
okay,
So communism.
okay.
So उस ज़माने में obviously रोटी कपड़ा मकान की चीज़ शुरू हुई थी, and then they were overturned, and then they were sent here and there everywhere. So my dada decided the best place for him was England, London specifically, जहाँ पे उन्होंने बहुत पढ़ाया, वहाँ पे थिएटर में पढ़ाते भी थे. So the stories he used to tell us, it's very strange कि उस ज़माने में ये कम्युनिज्म भी चल रही थी, you know, मुसलमान भी हैं, हिंदू भी हैं, लेकिन एक्टिंग करते वक्त आपको एक हिंदू नाम रखना जरूरी है.
हाँ.
So हम लोग में, my father was a part of it. My father was a little child, like itty bitty, like 4 years old or something like that. And his name was Master Ratan. ठीक है, हम लोग इतनी देखी बिकॉज हमारे अब्बा बैठ के हमें जबरदस्ती दिखाते थे मेरे अब्बा की फिल्म. So and it's a depressing film, okay, not to be shown to children at all.
No.
But we were forced. So उसमें मेरे अब्बा मुझे कहते हैं ये मैं हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ नहीं, लेकिन टाइटल पे तो और कास्ट में तो मास्टर रतन आता है. अब वो बहुत जब उम्र हुई तो तब जाके समझ आया कि they had to keep those names. Like for instance, Dilip Kumar,
yeah, had to change his
all
name.
of them.
Yeah, they all changed the name.
ठीक है,
yeah.
now it's fine,
Yeah.
but back in the day, so I was like intrigued कि उस जमाने में communism इतना easily you could have said that you're a communist, you're a Muslim or a Hindu or a Sikh. और आज की दुनिया में जो है वो you know बहुत सारे reservations हैं और उस जमाने में सिर्फ नाम की reservations हैं. Strange. So I can't gel with that thought.
अच्छा मुझे बताओ कि like apart from acting, first of all, like your entire family is entrenched into the industry. You know, in some way or the other, your puppo, your chacha, your dad, your grandfather, and now you. Where did you get inspired? Like, where was your inspiration to kind of get into acting?
You know, I kind of forget now. I
Okay.
think I was always into it. I've done my masters in fine arts. Fine arts करते हुए उस वक्त मैंने mime में जो है, I had a trainer at the university called Philip Bizzo. So I'm trained in mime.
Oh,
So I've
would
done
you?
theatre. Mime, no.
No.
Let's not.
Okay.
I think I've like. So I did perform. I did perform at the Alliance Française here.
Oh.
Yes, back in the day when मैं छोटी सी होती थी. Yeah, it's been quite a long time now. So I think it was always there because I saw my parents doing it. Then it was like second nature. It really was.
Second
I don't
nature.
even think कि मैं कहाँ कौन सा turning point था क्या था. It just went smoothly, smooth sailing. बस.
But it was like, I think it was a destined path for you.
Yes.
And kind of the as they say, that the road was paved already.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So amazing. Acha, but apart from acting, Yale, also you are like you're a psychologist, right?
I did psychology.
You studied psychology,
Yes,
yeah.
I did. I studied psychology. I wanted to become a psychologist, but I quit midway.
Yeah, and now you want to study
I wanted to study,
cognitive, behavioral therapy. Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
I want to do a little short course in it because I think it's necessary also, and I feel like I want to come back to it because I had decided to quit midway because I thought that my empathy levels were like there, and to be a psychologist or a psychiatrist, you need to be a little midway.
Midway, yeah.
Yeah. So I can't, I just take everything upon myself, and that can't happen.
That can't happen.
So that was being a little detrimental to me, and I decided no. So I took a step back, went into another side of, but psychology has helped me greatly, in my
Performance, of course, it must have, because like I'm sure that your process of approaching a character is probably very different from a normal actor would, like how they would approach it.
Yes,
Because you probably
it's more streamlined.
Yeah.
It's more streamlined.
Yeah, for sure. I can understand and imagine that being the case. You're also very athletic.
Yes, I am. I have to go to a kickboxing class right after this.
Yeah.
Yay, girls!
Yay.
Please do that. Please
Yeah,
go.
my sister kickboxes a lot.
Really?
I play golf, but she kickboxes. So
You play golf?
yeah,
Oh, I have always been intrigued.
you should learn.
I totally should because I have grown up watching Tiger Woods. I actually was an avid golf viewer. I don't
Okay.
know how to play it, but I will definitely come see you on the.
Yeah, आ जाओ लाहौर में अभी
Please do.
while I was in Karachi, my
invite
new
me.
clubs arrived from the US, so I'm very excited because I know that there's a present awaiting.
But it is, looking at you, you're like so vivacious and energetic, and it's such a patient game. How?
But that's exactly why. Because it is so focus oriented. It is so focus
helps
oriented.
you?
It really calms me down. It's kind of like a form of meditation because in that, the time that I'm playing, there's no other thought that's in my head.
Brilliant.
So it kind of just centers me.
I think I should get
to
into
begin the
something
day. So it kind of is like, okay, इस वक्त से मैं और ये कि निकी जी बॉल है ये
हाँ
है ये गा
उस होल में
Any hobby that you've picked up in COVID? Like anything, then any new talent that you've picked up?
Oh, okay. I don't think there's anything that I don't do. Let's not get your imagination running haywire. But जो घरेलू चीजें होती है ना, खाना बनाना, झाड़ू पोछा करना, बर्तन धोना, बेकिंग करना, I love doing makeup. I love it. मैंने जब फाइन आर्ट्स खत्म किया था तो उसके बाद मैंने सारी अपनी एनर्जी ट्रांसफर कर दी थी कि मैं अपने फेस को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ. I can make my eyes look bigger, smaller, lips look bigger, whatever.
Yeah.
Play tricks.
तो तुम भी ज्यादा बोलती हो, मैं भी बहुत बोलती हूँ.
आपने देखा है?
हाँ देखा है.
I'm probably feeding off your energy. You're probably feeding off mine.
Yeah, I am. I truly am, and it's been a lot of fun. Thank you
Same.
so much for taking out the
Not
time.
at all. The pleasure was all mine.
Thank you.
All mine.
It was absolutely wonderful to meet you and to interview you, and I'll hopefully get
This
you on
wasn't
the
an
show.
interview. It was just a chit chat.
Yeah, it was a chit chat. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the segment. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be part of the Momina's Mixed Pay family. And I'll see you next time. Take care.